said, you can also get a 15-minute entry, which will be your confirmation entry. Since you're viewing price from the 4 hour, you can get a 15-minute entry, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's move to this 15 minutes time frame. So okay, price is currently at the 15-minute time frame, and if you look closely, we already got this sweep inside the 4 hour bullish order block, in line with the breaker block, in line with the imbalance. So we got a sweep on the 15 minutes, which is the sign that we like or want. It's also from the range. From this sweep to this is also a range for the 15 minutes time frame. Well, we won't enter. Now, what do you think this is? This is a bullish order block. So that's a bullish order block. And if you see, price has already tapped into this bullish order block and is reacting already. But then I'm not bothered. Everything is about what? Patience. If you look closely, you'll see something else. Let me show you. You can see this imbalance. There's a little tiny imbalance. Can you see it? I'm going to use a different shade. So can you see this imbalance? In as much as price has tapped into this 15 minutes order block and it created an imbalance, a gap, I would want to see price come back down or wick back down to tap into this imbalance. So since I've seen this, that is where I'm going to place my entry. If I want to enter on the 15-minute time frame, that is, if I miss this order block entry, I'm going to place my entry here on the 15-minute time frame. Already we have our 15-minute shifting structure. Price closed above this swing high. You can see the candle, an aggressive bullish candle closing above this swing high. Confirmed our bullish shifting structure on the 15 minutes. So in this case, now I've seen all this. Now that I've seen all this, I want to enter this trade on using this. So that's where I'm going to place my entry. So 15 minutes is always a short time trade, mostly for day traders. So when you day trade, you put your stop loss below the swing low to be protected. This is about 2 points, so let's take it a little bit high. It's about 3-hour trade, and then you wait to see if price is gonna wick back down, tap into this imbalance, trigger your entry, and this place higher. So this is another way to get in on a trade. So this is a confirmation entry. So you can see from the previous video, when price was at this range, this level, most people would have want to buy, feeling that price is going to run without them. But then I highlighted this fair value gap that I want price to come back down and tag me in for me to go higher. And that is exactly what price does. So far, what I've noticed with many traders, they might know how to get in on a trade. They might know how to analyze a trade from the higher time frame order flow. It might be easier, but entry model might be a problem for most of them. From entry model, when they come to the lower time frame, getting an entry, they might take a lot of losses because there's no proven model. They don't have a proven model that they've tested multiple times and they've seen played out multiple times, and that is needed in this niche. It is really, really needed. You need a proven model that works, so you don't have to take trade based on impulse, move based on how you feel, based on FOMO. You don't have to take trade based on the orders. You have to take trade based on your particular criteria that you have laid out. You want to see certain things before you take trades. So I'm just going to end it here. This trade, if you're taking a trade, it's a day trade. 1 to 3 is a smash. Why the high time frame trade I took from the 4 hour is still playing out. So this is a win. Most traders are not going to show you an entry model. They might say a lot of things, but no entry model. No, they won't tell you how to get in on a trade, and how to get in on a trade is also important. So I hope this helped, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment for more content like this. Be safe, peace and love.